Today we're going to learn about an important type of words, the adjectives. In normal language, we use adjectives when we want to describe something or someone. The words big, fast, expensive, or intelligent are all adjectives. If we take a simple sentence like this, a beautiful house, the word beautiful is the adjective and describes the noun house. In the English language, the adjective precedes the noun. In this case, beautiful, adjective, house. However, things are a bit different in Spanish. The noun, casa, house, goes before the adjective, bonita, beautiful. Casa is the noun, and bonita is the adjective. And not only that, the adjectives in Spanish can also change their ending in order to agree with the noun's gender, masculine or feminine, and its number, singular and plural. The noun is the ruler of the sentence, so to speak. All other words in the sentence, una and bonita, have to be in the feminine and singular version. Here we have an example of a masculine word, palacio, meaning palace. So, un and bonito are also masculine and singular, because the noun, remember the ruler, is telling the other elements in the sentence to be masculine and singular. In this example, we can see how adjectives do not take the plural form in English. Beautiful does not change at all, independently of the noun being singular or plural, like in the example, two beautiful houses. In other words, we don't say beautifuls, but we say houses. In Spanish, adjectives are not independent. They are followers of the leader, the noun. For instance, dos casas bonitas, meaning two beautiful houses, or literally two houses beautifuls. Obviously, does not make sense in English, but is how you would translate word by word. Dos casas bonitas. Casas is the noun telling the adjective to be feminine and plural. One more example. Dos palacios bonitos, where bonitos follows the lead of the noun, masculine and plural. An exception to the rule would be the adjectives ending in e, as they do not change to masculine or feminine. However, they change to the plural form if the noun is plural too. We have a few examples of adjectives ending in e, for instance, inteligente, meaning intelligent, urgente, urgent, importante, obviously important, interesante, interesting, or grande, big. Most of them are easily recognizable and do not present a big challenge. Here we have some examples using very simple sentences. For instance, una ciudad grande. Ciudad, city. It is a feminine word ending in dad, if you remember the rules. Grande is not feminine or masculine, it's just grande. There's no masculine or feminine version of the adjectives ending in e. A big city. Dos libros interesantes. Two interesting books. Libros, it is masculine, but because the adjective is ending in e, is not affected by that. However, it is plural, and the plural is affecting the form of the adjective. So, two interesting books in Spanish, dos libros interesantes. Time to practice. Let's complete these sentences. An intelligent girl, una chica, and now intelligent. If we go back to the list that we had, intelligent is one of those adjectives ending in e in Spanish. So, una chica inteligente does not change to the feminine form. A few beautiful houses. Casas is feminine, and it is plural, So the adjective beautiful has to be feminine and plural. So, unas casas bonitas. And small apartment. Un apartamento. Now small. Apartamento is a masculine word. The O at the end is telling us that it's a masculine word and it's singular. So it has to be the same with the adjective. Un apartamento pequeño. The things to remember from this unit are that there's a masculine and a feminine version of adjectives, except if the ending of the adjective is an "e", where there is no masculine or feminine, but there is a singular and plural change. And finally, it is very important to remember that the noun goes before the adjective and not the other way around, like in English.